Hello dear friends, in this video I'll be making pinecone cookies. The exact ingredient quantities are listed in the description below. Crush the pine nuts into a powder or small bits. They are optional in this recipe. If you don't have any, skip this step. Mix the mint with sugar and blend with an immersion blender until it reaches the consistency shown in the video. Add 1 egg and room temperature butter, then continue blending. Add flour, baking powder and salt. Don't add all the flour at once as flour varies. Add it gradually. If you're using pine nuts, mix them in now. If not, no problem. Add the remaining flour and knead the dough until it reaches the consistency shown in the video. The dough shouldn't be too firm, so add flour cautiously. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Take small pieces of dough and shape them into pine cones as demonstrated in the video. Place the pine cones on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake in a preheated oven. The baking temperature is listed below the video. Take the cookies out of the oven and check the doneness level shown. Don't overbake them. If they are baked too long, they might turn yellow and lose their green color. I baked mine for 15 minutes. These cookies are perfect for a cozy tea time at home. You can make them with kids or pack them in a box as a holiday gift. I hope you found my video helpful. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next videos. Bye!